Alright guys, this time I'm going to show you how I identify the urine and the carpet. So our client has 2 dogs. I want to show you the areas that they pee. Look at this. Look at this, like that. All this is urine that goes into the carpet. Probably every corner. That too. Let's see this. Oh, look at this. He's been urine all this here. What else? Maybe in this, oh, this wall right there too. Look at this, guys. So this is how we do it to identify the urine too. Yeah, and all this carpet has urine. Probably here too. Look at this. See the dropping right here. Look at this. All this is urine. Over there. Probably here too. Look at this in the wall. He's peeing in the wall. All this here, all urine right there. Yeah, then we need to neutralize. Look at this. In the corner. Yep. On the door. Oh boy. Look, there's more here. Probably more. The more we look, the more we find. Alright guys, stay tuned.